Today, let's make pipe cleaner lilies of the valley. Here's what the finished flowers look like. The large flower has 8 petals, while the medium and small ones each have 6. Let's start with the small flowers. Its petals are 3.5 centimeters long. Make a small bend at the start of a white pipe cleaner. Then fold a pointed petal shaped at 3.5 centimeters. Each point makes 1 petal. One pipe cleaner makes 2 identical points. Another pipe cleaner should be folded into 4 identical points. You'll need 3 pipe cleaners for 6 petals. Now for the media flowers. Its petals are 4.5 centimeters long. Also start with a small bend. Then fold a point at 4.5 centimeters. One pipe cleaner makes 3 identical points. Another pipe cleaner makes 3 more. That gives us 6 petals total. Finally, the large flowers. Its petals are 6 centimeters long. Start with a bend. Fold a point at 6 centimeters. One pipe cleaner makes 2 points. You'll need 3 more pipe cleaners with 2 points each. That makes 8 petals total. Now let's assemble the flowers. Trim excess pipe cleaner from both ends. Take a short yellow piece for the stamina. Fold and glue it to the wire. Add a circle of glue around the stamina. Attach all petals upside down to the glued area. Then flip the petals upward. Shape the flowers into a rounded bell. Curve the petal tips outward. Trim the base and lightly melt with a lighter. Wrap the stems with floral tape. The medium flower uses the same method. Trim excess pipe cleaner. Attached upside down to stamina. Flip petals up. Shape the flowers. Curved petals outward. Trim base, lightly melted. Wrap stems with floral tape. Same for the large flowers. Feel free to make as many flowers as you like. Now for the leaf. Folding 3 green pipe cleaners in half. Thread one through the other 2. Twist tight and bend downward. secure at the base. Finally, attach all flowers and leaves to the main stem with floral tape. Your pipe cleaner, Lily of the Valley, is complete.